Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to show critical path in Smartsheet. Okay, for example, you have the task column in here. Okay, the task may be a task 1, task 2, task 4. Maybe this one is project planning, project initiation, project execution, controlling, and closure. Okay, just for example, then you're going to want to add in the start date and the end date. Date, start, date, end. All right, hit on OK. Now let's just click on a cell. Maybe the start date is tomorrow. This one as well. Let's just go ahead and copy like that. End date would be the end of the month. Let's copy it like so. And maybe I'm just going to change some dates right here. Okay, start today, end date will be tomorrow as well. And this one as well. Okay. Now what we'll do is just go ahead and click on the view right here and then go ahead and select a Gantt. There you go. What we'll do next is just go ahead and set up a dependency. Now, how do we do that? So just basically right click on any column and click on edit project settings. And in here, just enable dependencies. Okay, click on it. And if you haven't done so, or if you haven't created a column that is named predecessors and duration, well, it will be automatically added. Just hit on OK, then OK. There you go. And then once that's done, as you might have noticed right here at the top right, we now have this show critical path option. So just click on it and the critical paths will be shown with a red box in it. Okay. And depending how you edit your data in here, the critical path or paths will be changed as well. Okay. There you go. And that's basically it. If you want to connect all these, maybe like so, like that, up until the end. There you go. Here are the critical paths. Okay. Now, if you go back to grid view, like so, you will be able to see it. Again, just use Gantt view. All right. And that is how you show critical path here in Smartsheet. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.